This is a bunch of sparklers. Take one.
It's not working.
Take only.
Run! This is gonna be really bright. Get away!
No, AJ, you can stand there. Is it gonna work?
This is me.
This probably won't work.
Fuck. Is it gonna work?
Yes? What are you, retarded?
Yeah. Fuck my life!
It has to work.
Do it.
Light out of this one. Uh-oh.
Is it close?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
I don't think it's.
Oh! Oh! Sparklies, roll!
We can't do it again. It's gonna fall again. Guess I didn't see that coming.
Happy 4th of July, ladies and gentlemen.